Hello, in front of me I've got ROG Strix. In this video we will check if this monitor has USB hub function. In order to check it, take a look at the back of your monitor. Right there you can find super speed USB cable, port where you can connect this USB 3 cable. Next to this port you can find additional 2 USB ports, which means that if you connect this cable to your monitor and then to your laptop or PC, you can connect additional 2 devices to your monitor and the monitor will act as USB hub. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.